Good morning, students. Today we will be doing the exercise of lesson 1. The lesson was taught to you already. So we'll start with the exercise. First we'll be doing tick the correct answer. First, which of the following is a multifunctional machine? So the answer is option 1, computer. Okay. So we'll tick that. Then second is, which of the following are input device? So out of keyboard, mouse, scanner, which is the input device? So 3 of them are the input device. So answer will be all of this. Then CPU stands for central processor unit, central processing unit, central processor unit or central processing unit. Which of these? Answer is central processing unit. D. Which of the following are output devices? Monitor, printer, both A and B, or none of these? Both A and B. Next, monitor is also known as visual display unit, central processing unit, brain of the computer, or none of these? Answer is visual display unit, which is VDU. Now fill in the blanks. First one is, dash refers to any information or fact like names and numbers. Answer is data. Data refers to any information or fact like names and numbers. Second, the result that the computer gives after processing is called, what is the answer? Output. Write down output. The spellings of the following are given here, okay? Every answer spelling is here. Next, dash prints the information from a computer onto a paper. Answer is printer. Printer prints the information from a computer onto a paper. Next, dash allows us to enter our desired data and instructions by typing on it. Answer is keyboard. Keyboard allows us to type things. So the answer is keyboard. Keyboard allows us to enter our desired data and instructions by using or by typing on it. Then next is, an input device used to select a particular item on the screen is called. What is the answer? Mouse. Through mouse we can point on things. We can choose to select any particular item on the screen. So the answer is mouse. Okay. Now next is, write the full form of the following. Here I have already written the answers. If you need the spellings and all, either you can check with the chapter or you can write it down from here. First is VDU. The answer to this we saw here. See, visual display unit. VDU is visual display unit. Next is CPU. It's the central processing unit. We all know that. Then CRT is cathode ray tube. It is a type of monitor. Okay, cathode ray tube. Then TFT, which is thin film transistor. TFT is thin film transistor. This is also a kind of monitor. Okay. Now then, it's ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit. It is a part of CPU. Okay. ALU is arithmetic logical unit. Then next question is, write T for true and F for false statement. First is, any instruction that is given to the computer is called a command. Answer is true. Yes. Any instruction we give to a computer, that's known as command. Okay. B is, keyboard, mouse, scanner are some output device. No, it is a false. Keyboard, mouse and scanner are input devices. Okay. Now next is, the printed copy on a paper is called a soft copy. Answer is false. It's called a hard copy. Okay. So we'll write F there. Then next is MU stores the data either temporary or permanent. Answer is true. And what is MU? It's memory unit. It is a part of CPU. Okay. Next, answer in short. First one, which device is known as the brain of a computer? Answer is CPU. We'll write CPU, Central Processing Unit. The whole name should be written here. Okay. Next is, name two types of input device. So any two input device you can write. I have written keyboard and mouse. You can write any of the input devices. Okay. Next, name any two places where computers are used. Any two places around you. Banks, schools, hospitals. Okay, you can write any of the two. Now the next question number 6 is answer in detail. This part you have to write in your classwork copy. Okay. This questions 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 questions and the answers you have to write in the classwork copy. Only this part, okay? Nothing else. So the answers to this I have put in the attached file. The answers and the questions and the answers are there in the attached file. So see to it and copy the answers. Okay?